Matt, I wanted to make you a video to show you that I'm trying to get you a working printer here. So here are four of them, all check in with various problems. And I did have one that was able to print a couple pages, and it was with a new intake roller. So now all I'm trying to do is find a printer that not only powers up but tries to take in the paper. And for some reason the last three of them are not doing that. So it's a printer battle going on. I'm being patient. Here's another one. And here are three more. And I'm stripping these ones down. We're getting the logic boards out. Here's the printer assembly with the new intake roller that I'm going to put in your printer. And as I say, it did work. It printed out one page and then it jammed. So here's two more printers. Apologies for the delay. I have not experienced this. Usually it just takes a couple printers for me to get one working. And we're up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I took 3 more in the other day. So I'm on printer like 13 or 14 on this project to get yours working. So appreciate your business and patience. I still have more printers. And I will be able to recycle a lot of these cards. There's a chip on them that we can use to emulate, believe it or not, keyboards and mice for sound boxes. So they're not going to go to waste. Have a good day.